Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Teams for LinkedIn webinar follow-ups, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Visit the official Microsoft Teams website. Locate the download button for Microsoft Teams on the homepage. Click on the download button to start the installation process. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the Microsoft Teams installation file. Double-click the installation file to begin the setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the application. Choose the installation location if prompted, or proceed with the default setting. Once the installation is complete, the application will launch automatically. If not, locate Microsoft Teams in your applications and open it manually. Sign in using your work or school account associated with LinkedIn. If you don't have an account, you can create one during the sign-in process. After signing in, familiarize yourself with the Teams interface. To join a webinar, check your calendar for the scheduled event. Click on the Calendar tab in Microsoft Teams. Select the webinar you wish to attend. Click the Join button to enter the webinar. During the webinar, take notes for your follow-ups. After the webinar concludes, revisit the Teams interface. Go to the chat section to view any messages related to the webinar. If you need to follow up with participants or presenters, use the chat feature. Access your LinkedIn profile to connect with the webinar attendees. Craft a message thanking them for attending the webinar. Remember to include any key points or questions related to the discussion. Lastly, keep track of your follow-ups in an organized manner. You can create a task list within Teams for ongoing follow-up management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.